back to the channel, guys. This is LiquidOcelot. Guys, we are at part 2 of the ultimatemedium.com course, and this part is about which niche you should start writing on Medium. So my friends, the niche that you would like to start writing on Medium, on your first 30 to 100 Medium stories, it's very important to select this niche, my friends. My advice to you would be to start writing about Medium initially. The reason why I'm giving you this advice is because if you write about Medium related stuff, the bad thing is you might not get curation, but the good thing is that in search you will be found out, my friends, and you can introduce yourself as your second or first article. You can talk about your Medium journey, why did you join the platform, and you can just share your stats, daily stats, what did you achieve on Medium, on your previous Medium stories, how much money did you make on your previous Medium stories, and from where traffic is coming from most of the times on your Medium stories. There are so many ideas that you can explore initially in your initial niche, my friends, with the Medium. However, if you have already got a following on other social media platforms like Twitter, YouTube, or TikTok maybe, or any other social media platform, and you are coming on Medium as a new writer, then my advice would be to select that niche as your topic. Like for example, you can write on YouTube related topics, and on TikTok anything, to be honest with you, but you have to remain consistent so that you get followers accordingly. This is my idea for you, my friends, on how to start with which niche you have to select while starting writing on Medium. This is part 2 of the ultimate medium.com course. I hope you liked and enjoyed it. Please wait for part 3. It's coming pretty soon, my friends. Take care.